Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel where I crochet, knit and share my experiences and journey with you. You can follow along by hitting that subscribe and like button. Today we will be making these very simple flowers. These crochet flowers can be made with 5 petals or 6 petals, all depending upon how many half double crochets you make in the first round. They are very easy and beautiful. So let's start making them. You will need 2 colors, one for the center and one for the main flower body. I'll be using this color for the center and this red color, maroon rather, for my flowers, for my petals rather. As you can see, though these flowers both are same, I have used medium weight yarn for this one, and this is more fuller looking flower, and because this was made in a lightweight yarn, so it's has a bit lighter look. So depending upon what kind of effect you are going after, you can choose your yarn. We will start making the center by making a slip knot and chain 4. You can also make magic ring. Join first and last stitch, then chain 2. This will be our first half double. Now we will make 11 more half doubles in the circle that we have created by joining our chain. Count carefully. I'll also crochet above this tail so that I do not have to weave in later on. When you have made the desired number of half double crochets in your circle, then you will join with the first chain 2. If you want 5 petals, you will make 10 half double. If you want 6 petals, you will make in total 12 half double. We are counting our chain 2 in this number. Now we can cut our yarn and secure the end. Take this moment to weave in the end as well. We will secure the ends later on, but I just wanted to get them away from the center. Now we can start our petals. To start our petals, we will join anywhere in the circle. For the first chain, I'll be using both loops. This is to secure both ends, and I'll make in total 3 chains. And in the next stitch, make a double crochet, chain 3, and in the back hump of the first, make a picot and in the same stitch another double crochet, chain 3, and in the next stitch make a slip stitch. This is our first petal. Let's do it again. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. In the next stitch make a double crochet, chain 3 for the picot, 2 and 3, and in the third chain, in the back hump of the third chain, you will make a slip stitch. And this slip stitch will give you your picot. Now another double crochet in the same stitch and chain 3. In the next stitch slip stitch. So a lot of slip stitch. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2 and 3. In the next stitch we will make our double crochet and picot. 3 chains in the back hump of the first chain, slip stitch and second double crochet, chain 3, and in the next stitch slip stitch, and you will keep on working like this till you have made your all of your petals. And I will see you when I have finished my flower. After making my last 3 chains, I will join or I will slip stitch in the very stitch where I began my petals. So we will cut our yarn and secure the end. Just slip stitch a couple of times tightly. Push and pull and coax the petals in their place. We will weave it in at the back. Just go in the double crochets, pass it through a couple of petals and this is our flower with 6 petals. You can also make your flower with 5 petals, 6, change the yarn and you can get a much fuller looking or a very lightweight airy flower, lacy flower. So have fun playing around with this very easy flower pattern, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to leave a comment. Take care.